first time that we've ever done a project that when we're done, you're not going to see it. Yeah, my name is Virgil Miller, and I'm with Sunrise Construction. So the horse barn is pretty much complete, but we've certainly come a really long way, and it's looking pretty awesome. It looks really simple now that it's all together. That's the idea, right? You do all the hard work behind it, you do all the planning behind it. When you put it all together, it looks simple, but it looks simple because it was well planned. Early on, there's just a ton of planning that went into it. Some of the things that I think about off the top of my head are obviously the tunnel portion that we had to start out with that goes under the barn, which I'm basically standing over top of right now. All the planning that we did beforehand, it's pretty awesome to see it come together because things are connecting in and everything's working out just like we planned. This was another one of those things we did that took a lot of some pre-planning way ahead of time, a year ahead of time. When we started the barn is we made provisions to pull air from the tunnel into the horse barn, dump it out into the horse stalls on either side of the barn. So if you look above you here, you see this spiral black ductwork. That is literally air that will be pulling out of the tunnel, and we're going to be dumping it into the 4 horse stalls on this side, and it also goes to the other side of the barn. Every 2 hours, the tunnel gets a complete air change. We had done all our own surveying for the excavation of the tunnel. When they came to set their walls, we had prepped all the gravel footings and everything for them, but when they came, then they positioned essentially the drawings that they had with their own survey. They positioned the walls in the tunnel. And so we were off about 1 inch or 2 out of 275 feet. We were off about 1 inch or 2, so we were able just to make some last final adjustments. The tunnel just fit right in the hole, just like a glove. On the fronts of the stalls, we have the turnout feeders, so you can literally just, you don't even have to go into the horse stall to feed the horse. You can just turn the bull out. The horse shower over here is a pretty unique feature. This is the biggest tile shower we ever built, and it is for a horse. And it's pretty cool. It's got the heaters over top. It's got tile and stone on the walls and tile on the ceiling, and it's lit up really well. These horses will be well taken care of. Also, a nice feature in this barn is the hayloft. So the hayloft we completely finished out. The owners wanted to completely finish. It's a really cool space. It is mainly for hay storage, but you could throw some pretty nice parties in the hayloft here. It's been fun. It's been fun to put this all together.